Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Begin your music learning by focusing on 3 fundamentals: ear, rhythm, and posture. Start with 20 minutes of focused ear training daily and increase in 5-minute increments as you improve. Use a metronome to practice simple rhythm patterns in 4/4 at 60 to 80 BPM until your timing is steady. Spend a portion of each session's singing scales and intervals to develop pitch recognition, and check posture and hand position to avoid tension while you build reliable basics for future playing and practice. Develop reading and physical technique together by dividing practice into focused blocks. Spend 10 minutes on scales and 15 minutes on chord shapes each practice session, keeping movements relaxed and consistent. Learn basic notation and rhythms, starting with whole, half, quarter, and 1/4 notes so you can interpret sheet music. Play slowly at 50 to 60 BPM while maintaining accuracy, then increase tempo by 5 BPM increments only after you can play cleanly. This method builds muscle memory and sight reading. Structure progress with a practical practice plan that keeps motivation high and measurable. Create a 30-day plan with SMART goals and choose 2 measurable skills to track weekly, such as tempo accuracy or chord changes per minute. Record yourself once a week and review for tempo, accuracy, and musicality to guide adjustments. Include 1 rest day per week and vary sessions among technique, repertoire, and improvisation to avoid plateaus. Small, consistent steps and honest review accelerate learning more than sporadic long sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.